How to fix WhatsApp video calling problem on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. After opening Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then search Apps. Click on Apps and Notification. In here, click on WhatsApp. If you don't find WhatsApp in there, go to See All Apps and force stop the app and go to App Permission. Make sure microphone access is allowed and camera access is allowed. After that, simply restart your phone and you're good to go. That's how to fix WhatsApp video calling problem on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.